Alright, we're here to unbox the head unit that I got for the car. This just arrived today. I'm going to start by carefully cutting the tape. Don't cut towards myself.
Yeah.
Don't cut towards myself. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Alright.
Yeah. Yeah. What about arms? Is there a box inside a box?
There is a box inside of a box.
Inside a box.
So the first thing we get is, Dear customer, how are you? Recent order from us. Truly appreciate your premier choice of Seicane. I don't know how to say that exactly, but cool. Little welcome. Conditions of a warranty. I guess I have to send the warranty to somewhere. Oh, I guess I can send an email to them. And the user manual. Huh. This looks really interesting. A lot of information. Alright. That to the side.
Wires.
Yes, wires. So let's start with this one. This should be the 6-meter cable that is used to wire up the head unit to the trunk. Not sure which all these connections are, but we have, I imagine this goes into the car. I'm not going to unwind it right now.
But later, of course.
Right. That looks pretty cool. Alright, we'll put that to the side. This is an antenna adapter. I can tell this particular connection, I can tell is definitely an antenna adapter of sorts. Okay. And we've got a DVR camera. So this is going to be the front camera that records like a dash cam.
Wait, you need a camera?
It can record. So I'm going to put a camera on it, yeah.
Well, then this comes with a great extra thing. Cameras.
Shoot. I have a feeling this actually could probably double just as a regular webcam. Alright. So we got this in there. Huh. This is a lot of, I guess, all the adapter cables that come on the head unit that they keep on advertising. So that's all there.
That's a big piece that everybody's been waiting for.
Well, we have to get to it. Give me a minute. Huh.
What's that big piece everybody's been waiting for?
I'm not sure what adapter this is. Maybe these plug into the car itself. I'm gonna be interested in looking at it. W center. It looks like a speaker cables. So for 3 speaker cables. And oh look, huh? The reverse camera. I kind of thought it would be different, but this one actually comes with a adapter, so it'll plug in on the license plate holder. That's interesting. Interesting. And last but not least, wow, that is really big.
That's why I call it a big boy. It looks a lot like the magnet Pokemon.
Looks pretty.
Your hopes.
So here's all the different connections that it has on the back. It's got 2 USBs, the antenna. I'm not sure what this one does, but we'll figure that out. I think this is the Wi-Fi antenna, so it'll plug in. Has a unit to all the information to decipher it right there. Probably too close for the camera.
Reduce, reuse, recycle.
15 amp. And that feels really sturdy. It's definitely not a heavy unit at all in any way, shape, or form. Definitely a big screen. Definitely a big screen. What do you think?
It's bigger than the last one.
Bigger than the last one. This one's actually a touchscreen too.
Wait.
So I'll put the head unit for a second. Think there's anything else in here? Well, it was definitely packed nicely. There was a hit here that you can see managed to make its way all the way inside here.
Which is sad.
But all the foam and everything else kind of kept everything safe, so that was pretty good.
And I got a new hat out of this. My favorite part is the hat.
Okay. So my daughter's favorite part is the hat.
And the wrenches, which didn't come in with it, but a wrench.
So I guess that's all we have for now. So we'll see you guys again soon. Bye.